Hey everyone, my name is Caitlin Drake and I'm one of the product training coordinators on the product training team here at Wellness Living. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our new image markup field in Forms. Image markup allows a client to draw on either a default image or an image uploaded by a staff member. To add this field into your Forms, navigate to the app drawer and then into Forms. You can add this field to a new or existing form. So for today's video, I'm going to add it to a form I've already created by selecting the three-dot icon in the action column and then choosing Edit. Now that I'm in my form editor, I just have to look on the left-hand side for the image markup field and drag and drop it onto my form where I want it to go. Next, I'll want to enter in a question. And you can see here the body image chart that's available. Once you're happy with where this field is on your form, make sure to click Save, and then I'll show you how to see this on the client profile. So I'm now in the client profile, and I'm going to select the Documents drop-down tab and then select Forms. From here, I just need to add this form to the client's profile by selecting Add Form and finding the one that we want her to fill out, which is our new client intake form. The form is here at the top, and since you have not filled it in yet, you can go ahead and click on either the form name or the three-dot action icon and select Fill in the form. Because I'm logged in as a staff member filling out this form on behalf of the client, I can select where the default image block is and have options such as drawing an arrow, adding text, or even adding a highlighted box. And scrolling down the page a little bit further, I also have the button here to upload a custom image. So if I did want to upload a photo of, say, the client's body or of their face to mark up, we could do that from here as well. Once everything has been added and drawn on the way that the client would like, make sure you go ahead and click Save in the bottom right-hand corner.